Hi, 8th grade. Welcome to week 1. I just want to go over a couple of things for grammar. So we are doing the Wordly Wise review, and then we're going to do a few units in our new grammar section, which is chapter 8. So first section is 8.1 kinds of sentences. Here we are looking at complete subjects, incomplete predicates, and the different types of sentences. For Section 2, adjective and adverb phrases. Remember that a phrase is a group of words that used as a single part of speech. We looked at prepositional phrases in our last section. Remember, those are a little phrase that starts with a preposition and ends with a noun. Okay, so we are also looking at participial phrases. This is made up of present or past participles and any words that go with it. These function as adjectives. Okay, so they're going to be describing nouns or pronouns. And then the last one is an infinitive phrase. We've looked at these a while back, where you have to plus the main part of a verb and any words that go with it. Okay, so this is going to act as an adjective, an adverb, or a noun. So it can function in any one of those ways. So in this particular section, we're just going to be identifying these different types of adjective and adverb phrases. I've uploaded the answers to exercise 1, so hopefully that will help you to complete exercises 2 and 3. For the adjective clauses in 8.3, a clause, we can have independent clauses. An independent clause can stand alone and it's a complete thought. A dependent clause cannot stand alone and it needs maybe an independent clause to go along with it, or a subject and a verb to go along with it. So it's missing something. It cannot stand alone. So in this section here, we're looking at adjective clauses. Remember, just like adjectives, it's going to function in the same way. So it means that it's going to describe a noun or a pronoun, okay? And we have looked at something similar to this before in the last section. So what you're doing is identifying these adjective clauses in the sentence. So section 4, we have restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. A restrictive clause is essential. And we've looked at this kind of clause before when we were looking at nouns. So it's been a little while, but we have done something similar to this before. And then a non-restrictive clause is, it can be taken out of the sentence and the sentence still makes sense. It's not necessary for the sentence to make sense and everything be clear in the sentence. So we're going to be working on exercise 1. As always, I've uploaded the answers to that, so hopefully you can understand and work through that. And then in exercise 2, you're identifying those adjective clauses and then telling whether they're restrictive or non-restricted. Are they necessary for the sentence in order for clarity, or are they not necessary for the sentence in order for clarity? Okay, and then we are looking at, I think that's it for this week. So in reading, we have finished up The Giver. So we just had the plot line to do. We just had a little bit more on that to complete. So please complete that. And then also your projects. So I know many of you have been working on them and maybe you're almost done or you're done. If you don't have PowerPoint, I've given an alternate to that, which is Adobe Spark. So please look at my username and password to help you log into that and save your work there. And then we'll begin looking at our new book, I Am Malala. Okay, this is a memoir, and I've uploaded an element sheet for a memoir so you can read what that means. This is nonfiction. It's an autobiography category, so it is Malala telling her life story, but just a part of her life, not her entire life from beginning to end, because she's still alive. And also, it's only a certain section of her life. Okay, so it's a little bit different than an autobiography, but it is written by her, and another author has kind of helped her, but it is in that category. So we will be looking at that book over the next few weeks. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will check in with you soon. Take care.